Hello, my name is Tuti Alexandra Villegas. I am 27 years old and I come to tell to you today about my best friends. Her name is Leslie Valencia. She is 22 years old. His birthday is February 20, 2003 and lies in Bogota Capital District, where he works is Whitcomb. Here with haste to get or prefer to go to work at 6 in the morning. He already has to be working. So first I had breakfast at the cafeteria on the counter until he finished work in the 4 in the afternoon. And his free time he stays on the hot dog, Lily wears sheets in the light ponder.